evaluate 7 over 5 root 1 minus 1 over 50. We are going to solve it step by step. Stick to the end. Now, how do we solve it? We start solving from inside of this root, which means that to solve from inside of the root, we are going to have it to be what? 7 over 5 root of 1 minus 1 over 50. Now, to start our solving from the root, we can make this 1 to 1 over 1 so that we can look for the LCM of the number, which is the denominator. So LCM of 1 and 50. Okay, now the LCM of 1 and 50 is 50, right? So we are not going to have it to be 7 over 5 root. Okay, our LCM is 50, right? You put a line, you put your 50. Now 1 in 50 is 50, right? 50 times this one is still 50, right? So minus 50 in 50 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So we have 7 over 5 root of 50 minus 1. That gives us 49 over 50. So what do? We are going to split. We have 7 over 5 root. Now, splitting. Don't forget, this root is covering both 49 and 50. So we are going to split it to be. So to this, we use bracket to denote times, because 7 is multiplying all this. So we use bracket to denote it. So we are now going to split this root to be root of 49 over root of 50. Close your bracket. Okay, so we have 7 over 5 times 49 as a perfect square, which is 7. Put it all over. 50 can be simplified to 25 times 2, right? Still close the bracket. So therefore we have 7 over 5 bracket 7 over. Now 25 here at the perfect square, which is 5. So you have 5. 2 doesn't have. You lock it into the root. 5 over 2. Now we have 7 over 5. Bracket also means times, so you bring it out, which is times. So 7 over 5 root 2. Okay, we can now see 5 can take away 5, right? Okay, so we have 7 over 7 over root of 2. Now pay attention to this. You see this 7 over root 2, they are together from scratch. Okay, they are from these terms here, that like one term. So 7 here is another term. So if you are separating, because this is two fractions on their own, sometimes you can take from this to this, sometimes you can take, don't understand what I'm trying to say, so that you can put your fraction very well. Now you want to separate this fraction. To separate it, this 7 is alone from the scratch. So we have 7, this division sign here, where you put it, division sign. This one will not be together. We have 7 over root of 2. Do you understand this explanation? Yes. Now, because these two, they are together, that's it. So this one is already from the scratch. That's why we separated it like this. So what do? Now we are now having if two fractions. Then in the middle now we are having a division sign. Whenever this kind of thing you see, whenever you are solving, what you just have to do is to convert that division sign to multiplication sign. And after doing that, you switch the fraction. You switch their position. The one that is in the numerator will go to the denominator, while the one that is in the denominator will go to the numerator. Therefore, we are now having 7 over 1 times, so this comes up, we have root of 2 over 7. So what do? 7 can take away 7. We are left with what? 1 times root 2 give us root 2 over 1 times 1 is 1. So our final answer is root of 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and follow this account for more. Bye.